Hi, everybody. It's Regina from Solutions 8. I'm here to show you that the Stair-Step method that John Moran developed to grow a smart shopping campaign, as well as other types of campaigns, really does work. And I have proof. Let me show you. All right, so here I have a client account that I've been with for about a year and a half now. And I was comparing this year to last year, particularly the month of October. So you can see here I have the month of October from 2021 pulled up, and I'm comparing it to the month of October in 2020. Now, in 2020, there was a pandemic, which was really good for e-commerce sales. So it should be that last year was easier to hit goals. Last year, things did better in the e-commerce world than this year. So that is not what I'm seeing here. So in 2021, I implemented the stair-stepping method that John Moran developed to try to grow this account. And I will tell you what the stair-stepping method is in a second. There's also a link in the description to John Moran's original video where he details this out. But first, let me show you what the results are. So the conversion value last year in the month of October was only $6,000. The conversion value this year was $60,000. This is a 7x times the amount of conversion value. It's pretty insane. Now, we did this while maintaining the ROAS. In fact, the ROAS went up a little bit from 323 to 422. So the goal is to try to keep the ROAS around the same while growing the conversion value. That way, you know you have your profit margin there, but your revenue is getting bigger and bigger as you get more sales and more volume. Okay. So between this number and this number, the increases are just insane. To have 7x the growth in your business in just 1 year, most people only dream of that. So this is something that we do for all of our clients. John Moran calls it the stair-stepping method, and I'm going to tell you his secret. Okay, so what you do is you first you need to go into learning mode, right? So you're going to make sure you don't have a target ROAS applied, you don't have a target CPA applied. So you let the bidding strategy, whatever strategy you've chosen, run without a target, because the target will put a leash on the campaign. Okay, and it's the opposite of learning. It's goal hitting. So we're going to remove the targets, and at the same time, we're going to add budget. Okay, so remove the target and increase the daily spend. Now you're letting the algorithm learn. You're letting it learn at a higher spend than it was learning previously, which is going to force it to get itself out there, go find some new people, some fresh faces. Maybe it's going to tap into a new pocket of the market that it wasn't previously tapping into. Maybe it's going to show a new product. If you have a big, long list of products and some of the products don't always get budget every day, that they're not being shown. Some of those products might be shown. So it's going to learn, right? Let it learn for a little while. Let it learn for like 2 or 3 weeks at a minimum. Then what you're going to do is add that target return on ad spend or target CPA goal back onto the campaign. And that's going to switch gears. So now the algorithm goes, okay, I'm not going to learn anymore. I'm going to hit this target that I was told to hit. And it's going to take all its knowledge that it just gathered, and it's going to attempt to spend the full budget like it was before, with the target return on ad spend and the target CPA applied, whichever one you have, right? For a search campaign, you might do target CPA. For a smart shopping campaign, you might choose target ROAS. That's a conversation for another day. But regardless, you choose a target, you reel it in, and it's going to it's going to try its best to hit that goal. And this is almost it is kind of a different kind of learning, because now instead of the algorithm just exploring and gathering conversion data points, now it has to learn how to try to spend the full budget, but only if it thinks that every sale can average this target, right? So it's stretching the algorithm in a different way than you were before. And so you kind of do this back and forth thing, remove the target, add budget, add the target back, remove the target, add budget, add the target back. It should work. And if it isn't, let us know and we'll fix it for you. You can always hire us, and we will sort out the reason. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know we actually know what we're doing. We shoot a video every single day, so if you want to be notified, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any input, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We get very little human interaction. Thanks for supporting our channel, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.